The Last Samurai. Introduction. The Last Samurai, penned by Helen DeWitt and published in 2000, is a remarkable novel that weaves a complex narrative around themes of intelligence, identity, and the search for meaning. The book combines a unique blend of intellectual challenge, emotional depth, and cultural exploration, creating a multifaceted experience for its readers. This discussion will delve into the novel's plot, character development, thematic elements, and its reception to provide a comprehensive understanding of this literary work. Plot overview. At its core, The Last Samurai revolves around the story of a brilliant young boy named Ludo, who is raised by his single mother, Sabila. The novel is structured around Ludo's quest to find his estranged father, who is an enigmatic and possibly legendary figure. Ludo's mother, Sabila, is an extraordinary woman with an impressive intellect and a passion for knowledge. She raises Ludo to be exceptionally intelligent, often subjecting him to rigorous intellectual challenges. The novel's narrative alternates between Ludo's life in the present day and the historical and fictional influences that shape his understanding of the world. The title, The Last Samurai, refers to the Japanese warrior code and the idea of the last samurai as a symbol of an idealized form of honor and discipline. This theme resonates throughout the novel as Ludo embarks on his journey, reflecting the values and struggles of the samurai in his quest for knowledge and understanding of his father. Character development. The characters in The Last Samurai are intricately crafted and serve to enhance the novel's thematic richness. Ludo is depicted as an exceptionally intelligent child with a profound curiosity about the world. His intelligence is both a gift and a burden, leading him to grapple with complex questions about existence and identity. Ludo's character is central to the novel's exploration of intellectual and emotional themes. His interactions with other characters, including his mother and his father's legacy, shape his journey of self-discovery. Sabila, Ludo's mother, is a pivotal character whose influence is felt throughout the novel. Her intellectual prowess and unconventional methods of parenting play a significant role in Ludo's development. Sabila's character is both inspirational and challenging, reflecting the complexities of raising a prodigious child while navigating her own personal struggles. The enigmatic father figure, who is revealed through Ludo's quest, embodies the qualities of the last samurai in a metaphorical sense. His absence and the search for him drive much of the novel's plot and thematic exploration, symbolizing Ludo's quest for understanding and connection. Thematic exploration. The Last Samurai delves into a variety of themes that resonate deeply with readers. One of the most prominent themes is the pursuit of knowledge and intellectual growth. Ludo's journey reflects a quest for understanding that transcends conventional boundaries. His mother's unconventional approach to education highlights the novel's exploration of the nature of intelligence and the impact of intellectual challenges on personal development. Another significant theme is identity and the search for self. Ludo's quest to find his father represents a deeper search for meaning and self-discovery. The novel explores how identity is shaped by personal experiences, relationships, and the quest for understanding one's heritage. The novel also engages with the idea of the last samurai as a metaphor for the struggle to maintain one's principles and honor in a changing world. This theme is reflected in Ludo's journey and his interactions with various characters, illustrating the tension between traditional values and contemporary challenges. Cultural and historical influences. Helen DeWitt incorporates a rich tapestry of cultural and historical references into the novel. The concept of the samurai and the associated codes of honor and discipline serve as a backdrop to Ludo's journey. These references are not merely decorative, they are integral to the novel's exploration of themes related to intellectual and moral values. The novel also engages with the broader cultural context of intellectualism and the impact of education on personal development. DeWitt's portrayal of Sabila's approach to raising Ludo challenges conventional notions of parenting and education, providing a thought-provoking commentary on the nature of intelligence and its role in shaping individual identity. Reception and impact. The Last Samurai received critical acclaim for its innovative narrative and intellectual depth. Reviewers praised DeWitt's ability to blend a compelling story with philosophical and intellectual challenges. The novel's unique structure and rich character development garnered positive attention, establishing it as a significant work in contemporary literature. However, the novel's complexity and intellectual focus also presented challenges for some readers. The intricate references and philosophical underpinnings may be daunting for those seeking a more straightforward narrative. Despite this, The Last Samurai remains a celebrated work for its originality and its exploration of profound themes. Conclusion. Helen DeWitt's The Last Samurai is a remarkable and thought-provoking novel that offers a rich tapestry of intellectual and emotional exploration. Through its complex characters, thematic depth, and cultural references, the novel provides a compelling narrative that challenges conventional boundaries and invites readers to reflect on the nature of knowledge, identity, and personal growth. Its impact and reception underscore its significance in contemporary literature, making it a noteworthy contribution to the literary canon.